Hi everyone, this is Omar Murillo with Ever Home Real Estate, back to share my newest listing here in the city of San Lorenzo at 970 Hacienda Avenue. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home, absolutely in move-in ready condition. From front to back, this home is perfecto. Honestly, I can't change a thing about it. It's really nice. I can't wait for you to see it. Let's take a look.
You're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. 'Cause you're a sky full of stars. 'Cause you light up the path.